Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a sun visor clip in an Audi A4. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new replacement clip. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely and the engine is off for safety. This simple repair is quick, usually taking just a few minutes to complete, so let's get started right away. Now let's remove the old clip. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the small cover on the old sun visor clip. Once the cover is open, you'll see two small screws. Carefully unscrew these, making sure not to drop them. After the screws are out, the damaged clip should easily come free from the headliner. Set it aside. With the old clip removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new sun visor clip and align it carefully with the screw holes in the headliner. Insert the two screws and tighten them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Once the clip is secure, snap the small cover back into place over the screws until you hear it click. It should sit flush. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Attach your sun visor to the new clip and make sure it holds firmly in place without any sagging. Detach and reattach it a few times to confirm it's working correctly. This easy repair not only restores functionality, but also saves you a trip to the mechanic. Enjoy your fully functional sun visor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.